It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. Today is going to be super fun because we're drawing a big, bouncy, super cool monster truck. Vroom vroom! Can you hear that engine? It goes vroom. Oh wait, was that a truck or a dinosaur? I think it was both. Whoa! Look at this monster truck. Wow, those wheels are huge. They're so big, I think they could roll over a mountain. Or maybe even a giant sandwich. Would you ride a monster truck to school? I would. But I might be late because I'd be bouncing all the way there. All right, friends, get ready to watch some colourful fun, big wheels, and silly surprises. Let's enjoy drawing our amazing monster truck together. Ta-da! Our monster truck is all done. Look at those big bouncy wheels. Time to make our drawing bold and strong. We trace over the lines like magic. Whoosh! Look at that. Our monster truck is getting super powerful. Whoa! It's so colourful now. Our monster truck looks ready for a fun ride. It's colouring time. Oh, this is going to be so fun. Colour orange. All right, friends, let's start colouring the sun's rays. We're using a bright, happy orange. Ooh, look at that! It's like the sun is giving us a big, warm hug. These rays are going out and out, stretching far into the sky. Do you think the sun is tickling the clouds with its rays? I think it is. Let's colour them nice and smooth. Up, down, around we go. Wow, it's getting so bright already. Here's a silly question. Do sun rays like to dance? Yes, they do. They go wiggle, wiggle, wiggle in the sky. Our sun rays are looking so shiny and warm. I think they're saying, good morning, friends. Let's keep colouring and make them super bright and cheerful. I love this adorable sun. Colour yellow. Now it's time to colour the big happy sun. Look at that circle. It's just waiting to glow. Let's fill it in nice and gently. It's getting brighter. It's like a giant glowing ball in the sky. Colour blue. Now let's colour the fluffy clouds. But wait. These clouds are blue! That's so fun and different. Let's start colouring them softly. Around and around, like we're tickling the clouds. Ooh, look how cool that looks. These clouds look like they're floating in a magical sky. Do you think they're soft like cotton candy? I think they are. But don't eat them. They might taste like sky bubbles. Our blue clouds look so dreamy and fun. I think they're ready to float all around our colourful monster truck. Colour red. All right, friends, now it's time to colour our super cool monster truck. Ooh, this is going to be so fun. Let's start filling in the body nice. Wahahaha, look at that colour. Our monster truck is starting to look so awesome. Do you think this truck has a name? Maybe Bouncy the Truck. Let's colour every little part. Don't forget the doors and the front. Ooh, it's getting brighter and cooler. I think our monster truck is getting ready to say vroom. Can you say vroom vroom? Vroom vroom. Ha ha ha. Here's a silly question. Do monster trucks like to play in the mud? Yes, they do. They go splish, splash, zoom, zoom.
Wow!
Wow, our monster truck looks so strong and happy now. I think it's ready for a big adventure. Are you enjoy watching, friends? Colour purple. Look at those big wheels. They're so huge, I think they could bounce like a ball. Boing, boing, boing. What if the truck starts jumping like a kangaroo? That would be the silliest monster truck ever. Does the monster truck like colours? Yes, it does. It gets super excited when we add colours. It says, "Make me bright, make me fun."
Wow!
When we colour this truck, we can make it any colour we like. Did you know real monster trucks come in bright colours so people can see them easily in shows? Bright colours make them extra fun. This monster truck might be the king of all trucks. King Truck. It needs a crown. Maybe a shiny, sparkly crown on top.
Wow!
All hail the Monster Truck King. Does the monster truck love us? Oh, yes, it says, "Thank you for colouring me, friend." Monster trucks are built very strong. That means they can jump, land, and still keep going. Wow, that's like having superhero strength. Do you think this monster truck likes music? Maybe it dances like this. Wiggle the wheels, shake the truck, bounce, bounce, bounce. That's the monster truck dance. Do you want to ride this monster truck? Ha ha! Color green. Is the monster truck friendly? Of course it is. It loves saying hello with a big happy vroom and giving gentle bouncy rides to its friends. Look at this big monster truck. Monster trucks are known for their super huge wheels, so they can drive over bumps and obstacles easily. That means they don't get stuck like small cars. They just go right over. Why are the wheels so big?
Wow!
Because big wheels help the monster truck roll over bumps easily and go on fun adventures. Look at these two big wheels. Monster truck wheels are much bigger than normal car wheels, so they can drive over rocks, dirt and bumps easily. That makes them super strong. I really love these two strong big wheels. Color pink. Look at these two big wheels. They're so giant I think they can roll all the way to the moon and back. Roll, roll, roll. Oh no, don't roll away, wheels. Come back here, we're still coloring you. Silly wheels, always trying to go on an adventure. As we color, we can pretend this truck is going on an adventure. Maybe to the jungle, the desert, or even outer space. A space monster truck. Can the monster truck go in the water? Maybe just a little splash. It loves puddles, but not too deep. Look at the shape of the truck. It's big and tall, so it can see everything around it. It's like the truck is saying, "I'm the biggest here." Is the monster truck fast? Super fast. It zooms like the wind and goes whoosh across the road. I think this truck has a secret power. It can turn invisible. Oh no, where did it go? Wait, I still see the wheels. Silly truck, you forgot to hide your tires. Ha ha. Oh, look at that. Our monster truck is ready to roll. Vroom, vroom. Thank you so much for watching and spending fun time with me today. You are such an awesome friend. If you want more happy and silly drawing videos, don't forget to subscribe and come back again. I can't wait to see you in our next fun adventure. See you on the next video, little friends.